Arizona's been an interesting market. It's really been fun to be a part of. So it continues to be a very strong and competitive market. I mean, historically, Arizona's economy was based around tourism as just general population growth. However, over the last several years, we've really shifted away from that and focused a lot on international manufacturing business and then the high tech manufacturing and tech markets. You can see this by some of the numbers on the screen here, but really like with that 28% growth in manufacturing over a 10-year span compared to that 8% national average. And so what this means is a lot of companies are moving to Arizona and bringing their operations to Arizona or expanding their current operations. 70% of the companies looking at moving to Arizona or growing their business in Arizona fall within those AFG markets, so mission critical, industrial, and manufacturing. We're seeing significant foreign interest in Arizona as well, with roughly 28% of the companies looking at moving their business to Arizona being international companies. We're having to or learning to do business with new partners and new countries and new clients. With this growth, it continues to put even more stress on an already strained labor market in Arizona. I'm seeing projections range anywhere from around 100,000 to over 200,000 workers will be needed, which is pretty staggering considering the amount of stuff that we have in front of us. So while we have very strong and capable trade partners in the Valley, there just simply isn't enough bodies to put that work in place. So we're having to lean a lot more on our prefab and pre-build capabilities, lean more on some regional or national trade partners to bring labor to the market. And so while commodity and material and equipment pricing has started to stabilize and become no more normalized, we're continuing to see upward trends in costs due simply to labor and as a result of supply and demand.
Labor pinch.